Hi friends, today I would like to teach on constructor basics of constructor and a hash code and object or that object reference. Yesterday I have taught a hash code definitions, okay? I have taught hash code definitions, okay? Today I would like to overview on the hash code. Hash code is nothing but a unique identification code which will generate from a heap manager. That means, or you can tell it as a heap account or a heap area, that you will get an objects where you allocate an memory for the objects. Okay, to get the hash code of any object, you need to go use a methods like public native int hash code. Okay, by you will get an hash code. The hash code will go to the JVM and JVM will restore the hash. JVM will convert the hash code to an hexadecimal format, is called as a reference object. We can know the hexadecimal format of an object. It's nothing but a object reference. Object reference value by a string to method. Okay, by using the string to method we can detect the object reference value. That means we can get a hash code hexadecimal format. Okay, actually the object reference syntax is class name at the rate of hexadecimal format. Okay, coming to the object class. Okay, I will clearly define an object class. Object class is act as a root class. It is present in java.lang package. Okay, that means usually we are using in regular methods and the classes are in java.lang package only. So if you are going for a java.lang package, is nothing but almost all methods are there in java.lang package. The object is nothing but to contain all the methods which are present in java.lang package. Friends, every Java class is a child. Every Java class is a child class. It is a part of an object class only. If you, for example, that program contains a class A object, okay, followed by class B. If only the class A presents, means it's a direct object class. If class B presents, class A after class B presents, means it's an indirect object class. The class B is an indirect object class. Okay, like that each and every object must and should contain the object class is must and should. Okay, the regularly used class or java.lang classes, the 11 methods are supported the object classes like final, notified, wait long, wait in nanoseconds, and all these things. And coming to the methods, what is support is string, normal methods like all regular methods and regular data only, regular interfaces only it will support, like a system, say string dot buffer, string dot builder, and final keywords and all those things. Okay, coming to the interfaces, what it will support is runnable, clonable, user defined interface. Okay, now I want to switch to constructor basics.